Everyone, today we are going to talk about trigonometry. So let's take some example. Let's take a 90-degree triangle. So the largest side is right in front of the 90 degrees, which we call it the hypotenuse. And if you have an angle like this, the opposite side is right in front of it and the adjacent is the other. Alright, let's come into the terms. So sine alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent. Alright. Sine alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent. So the method to remember this easily is so ka to a. So ka to a. So sine is opposite hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent hypotenuse. Tan is opposite adjacent. Okay. Let's take an example. Alright. The question is asking to find the angle x. So you know the opposite because right in front of the angle you have the opposite. And you know the hypotenuse. So what's the relationship between opposite and hypotenuse? It's sine. So sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine x is equal to 12 over 13. X is equal to sine inverse 12 over 13. So you need to go to your cal. Shift sine 12 over 13. So the answer is what? 67.38. X is equal to 67.38 degrees. So if they ask for 3 significance, you need to write it for 67.4 degrees. Okay. Let's take another example. Find the length of the side RT. So I'll give you a few minutes. Can you try? Okay. In this question, what you have to notice is that you need to find RT and ST is given. ST is the opposite. And this is the adjacent and the largest side is hypotenuse. So what are you going to use? Opposite over adjacent. So tan 53 is equal to 14 over RT. Adjacent is RT. So in this case you need to subject the RT. RT is equal to 14 divided by tan 53. So what you have to do is just type this in cal. 14 divided by tan 53. It's 10.5. Alright. Let's go into another question. Find AB length. So you need to know that AB is this and the hypotenuse is given. So ka to r. So what are you gonna use? Opposite is not given, adjacent and hypotenuse is given. So adjacent and hypotenuse is what? Cos. So let's write cos 25 is equal to, what's opposite? No, it's adjacent. So cos 25 is equal to AB, adjacent is AB, over 12.5. So you can just multiply it. Cos 25, but need to put a bracket, into 12.5 is equal to AB. Okay, AB is equal to, so let's type it in the cal. Cos 25 answer into, alright, cos 25 into 12.5. Cos 25 answer into 12.5. There's a mistake somewhere. Let's open up a bracket. Cos 25 multiplied by 12.5. So that's going to be 11.32. Alright, let's recap again. If you take a 90-degree triangle, if this angle is alpha, this is 90, the largest side, in front of the largest side you have the hypotenuse. In front of the angle you have the opposite, and the other one is called adjacent. So sine alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan alpha is equal to adjacent, no, opposite over adjacent. Alright, you need to remember, the easiest method to remember is so ka to r. So sine is opposite hypotenuse, cos is adjacent hypotenuse, tan is opposite adjacent. Alright, I hope you understood the entire thing. Okay, thank you.